Yo, you guys, so today it's Badger and we're gonna have a look at this Sea World toy. It's not officially Sea World, it's just the brand. I don't know why they steal that name, but whatever. So what it is, it's a little octopus for your bathtub or in general for playing with water. And it's pretty straightforward. We got the blue one, there's a pink version as well if that's something you're more interested in. Normally I would always go for pink and red, but octopus, I think they should be more bluish, but that's just me. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. Anyway, you have to unscrew all these. There's four of them to make sure there's no electricity touching the water, obviously. And then here is our sensor for water. And how it's gonna work, it's gonna pull in water from the bottom and it's gonna spit it out on top. And I did add some batteries. We just put in some water in our bathtub, just a little bit. As soon as this has been touched down here, these two blocks, it will start pushing the water from the bottom to the top. And basically that's what this is all about. So I would say we are gonna place it in there and check it out how it actually looks like. It has some lighting as well, as you see here. And now the water is all over the place. It's like a little fountain. It's pretty high, not gonna lie, and definitely can add some fun. It's floating, and that's it for today's video. It's Badger. I'm out. Take care.